In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Redotpay and Crypto Card tutorial. So this should be a quick and easy process. As you can see right now, the first thing you need to do is to download the Redot app, then register for Redotpay account, and then after that, just complete your identity verification inside of the app, and then deposit cryptocurrency. You can choose to deposit via Binance Pay or chain top up, or purchase crypto using a credit card. And then just apply for a card. Apply for either a virtual card or a physical card. And then after that, you can enjoy and start using your Redotpay crypto card for payments. So this was an easy and quick process video on Redot crypto card tutorial, and as always, thank you for watching.